Hi and welcome to my another video. Today we're going to be talking about how to make money online in 2023. But this isn't just any ordinary listicle. I'm going to be sharing some facts and figures behind the top trending online ways to earn money, as well as some tips and advice on how to get started. Top trending online ways to make money in 2023. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to make money online if you have a skill or expertise that you can offer to others. Some popular freelance professions include writing, editing, design, programming, and marketing. In fact, the global freelance market is expected to reach $35 billion by 2027. Tip to get started with freelancing. You'll need to create a portfolio of your work and start networking with potential clients. You can also find freelance work on online marketplaces such as Upwork and Fiverr. 2. Starting an online business. Starting an online business is another great way to make money online. There are many different types of online businesses that you can start, such as an e-commerce store, a blog, or a dropshipping business. In fact, over 2 billion people worldwide shop online, and this number is expected to continue to grow in the coming years. Tip to get started with an online business. You'll need to choose a niche, create a website, and promote your products or services. There are many resources available online to help you get started, such as Shopify and WooCommerce. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn money by promoting other people's products or services. When you sign up for an affiliate program, you'll be given a unique affiliate link. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. Fact: the global affiliate marketing market is expected to reach $12 billion by 2025. Tip to get started with affiliate marketing. You'll need to choose a niche and find affiliate programs to join. You can promote affiliate products and services on your website, blog, and social media channels. 4. Creating and selling digital products. Creating and selling digital products is another great way to make money online. Some popular types of digital products include ebooks, online courses, templates, and software. Fact: the global digital product market is expected to reach $1 trillion by 2026. Tip to get started with creating and selling digital products. You'll need to choose a niche and create a product that your target audience will find valuable. You can then sell your product on your own website or through online marketplaces such as Etsy and Creative Market. 5. Investing. Investing is a great way to make money online in the long term. There are many different ways to invest, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. In fact, the global stock market is worth over $100 trillion, and it's expected to grow in the coming years. Tip to get started with investing. You'll need to open a brokerage account and deposit some money. You can then start investing in your chosen stocks, bonds, or other assets. These are just a few of the many ways to make money online in 2023. If you're looking for a way to earn extra income or even replace your full-time job, there are plenty of opportunities available. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.